You guys ever heard a 5-liter Coyote with a Borla exhaust and a Whipple supercharger? Today you will. I borrowed this truck from Kengar Ford here in West Valley, Utah. This truck is available for sale. It's already done for you. All you gotta do is just pick it up. Be sure to text the number down below. Let's go ahead and check out the original window sticker and then we'll discuss all the upgrades. Here's the description. This is the standard features. The only option on this truck is the bed liner. Base price is $38,810. Destination is $1995. With a total price of $41,400. And here are the fuel economy numbers before the upfit. Now I'm pretty sure you guys want pricing, and I will be completely honest with you. I have no clue. All I know is it's priced to sell. Now, when they refreshed this truck back in 2024, it really helped out the work truck models because LED headlights come standard. And you see, turn signals as well. Love the front grille design too, and it really goes well with the blackout. Now, I had no clue they're going to be wrapping this truck. So this is a matte PPF. And my goodness, absolute stunner. Red Willwood brakes. I had no clue they're doing that either. So they really did make this a turnkey project truck for you. There's not much you have to do at this point. Now you guys will see here, suspension has been upgraded. So now you have RhinoFLEX. So you have the coilovers that are adjustable. You also have a upgraded control arm up top. I'm pretty sure they did some upgrades to the end links there for the sway bar, but the lower control arm is pretty much the standard one I can see. And then here are the tires. These are the Nitto NT420s, 285 40 22-inch wheels. So these are Vossen wheels, and you guys can see those rotors are drilled and slotted. Looks to be 4-piston, and those are like 11.2 inches in width for the tire. Out back, more upgrades to the suspension. You can see right there. You also have upgraded shock absorbers too. You probably see those better on this side. All through RhinoFLEX. Now they did not re-gear this truck. You can see that exhaust system too. You have rear parking sensors. They did also add the tonneau cover too. And then here are the black tips on that Borla exhaust. Really like the design of it too. Very loud too, so I'll let you guys hear it in a second. But look at how smooth this vinyl wrapping is. They did a great job, and I know they're gonna probably do one last inspection before they send the truck off, whoever buys it. But yeah, it came out perfect. And there is a little bit of sparkle. Let me show it to you really quickly. They have a stubby antenna, but you can definitely see the metallic flake in this wrap too. And as I said, this is not a vinyl, so it's gonna last a lot longer for sure. Let's go ahead and answer this question real quickly because it's coming. Is this warranty safe? Answer, yes. You know why? Because this is an upgrade from Ford. So if you're someone looking for a turnkey super truck, you can get this warranted for the 3-year 36, 5-year 60 powertrain. And if you want to add a wrap, you can do that too. With that being said, if you want to finance this truck, this is a truck you can finance at the dealer. Now here's another question that might come up. Is this 50 state street legal? Answer is yes. If you live in California, you can get this truck through emission. So with that being said, this is a 3-liter Whipple supercharger and it is using their inverted twin screw design. And this package puts out 700 horsepower, which comes on around 6,500 RPM and 590 pound-feet of torque, which comes on around 5,000 RPM. I didn't check to see every detail of what was done. It wouldn't shock me if they do spark plugs on this at this power level. You guys can see some of the pulleys have been upgraded too with this setup. Cold air intake is over here with the new, I call it a snorkel. But yeah, let's go ahead and check out that Tomahawk tuner that comes with this package as well. So here it is. This comes with the package. This plugs into the OBD. And of course, 91 octane is required for this. Now they didn't skimp out on this truck. They even gave you the leather seats for the interior. And they are heated, 2 levels for that. And I do like the overall look too. Perforated leather, so it's going to breathe better as well. And are you guys ready to hear this truck? Let's go ahead and start it up. I want you guys to really hear this thing. It is absolutely insane. I wouldn't say that it's kind of loud. I would say it's very loud for sure. And you guys see right here, you have your 12-inch screens. And if you want, actually I was in sport mode earlier, I was just kind of testing it out. But yeah, great readout for the screens. You have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So as I said earlier, with these newer trucks, you don't really need to add a bunch of stuff. Remember 20 years ago, 25 years ago, you would have to get the Kenwood and you know all that stuff. Now granted, if you want a sound system, you could do that. But yeah, overall, this truck is super loud, great readouts in here, and I think that the interior is like perfect. Now, I am going to sneak you guys. I am going to drive this truck in the next video I do. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. I am a little nervous, I gotta admit. You know, 285s, I mean, that's a decent tire. I mean, the Hellcats had, what, 285s, I believe, back in the day, until they went to the wide bodies. But regardless, I am excited to see how this truck's going to perform. I mean, 700 horsepower, I know I'm going to have a smile on my face, for sure. And then you kind of see what fuel economy would be as well later.